Now, sinasabi mo rin dito sa iyong sinumpaang salaysay na nagkaroon kayo na agreement with Mayor Anana and his brother regarding the sharing of expenses in the construction and operations thereof. Pero mag-isa mo lang na ginastusan yung pag-construct at saka yung operation ng gasolinahan. And meron dapat share of the expense yung magkapatid in the amount of 2 million pesos. And nagkaroon din kayo ng kasunduan na mag-share kayo doon sa profit, kayo at saka yung Ananda Brothers, 10% of the net income for every liter of fuel sold or supplied. Tama rin po ito?
Yes, Mr. Chair.